Gas here at PTPGun, and today I'm going to show you the disassembly and the reassembly of this Ruger LCR chambered in .22 long rifle. So first step you want to check is make sure you hit the cylinder release button on this, as well as pop the cylinder out and check to make sure that all the chambers are empty, in which they are. From here, this is actually as far as you're going to take apart this firearm for the purposes of cleaning and maintaining it. From here you can clean all the individual chambers inside that cylinder, as well as the barrel and inside where the firing pin is. You can go ahead and reinsert that cylinder into the firearm and go ahead and pull sure a few times to make sure that's functioning properly. For more videos on the disassembly and reassembling of various firearms, including rifles, pistols, and shotguns, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Facebook at PTPGun. Thank you all again. Remember to stay safe and to train to survive.